Dear students, today we will go for question number 3, exercise 4.1. Here we have to reduce the given rational expressions to their simplest form, I mean to their lowest form, by applying some important formulas as I have written here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. This is the expanded form of this formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. The third one is difference of squares. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. The next one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. The next one is a plus b whole cube. Here it is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab into a plus b. Similarly, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab into a minus b. The last one is a plus b plus c whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus 2 times bc plus 2 times ca, or it can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 taking as a common factor times ab plus bc plus ca. Now in the questions we will observe, we will make use of these formulas time and again. So let's come for the first part. 120 x square y cube z to the raised power 5 divided by 30 x cube y to the raised power 1. So z square. This is very simple question. Here we have to resolve the numerator as well as denominator either into their prime factors, or we can make use of the laws of exponents as we have done in the chapter number 2. Now 120 can be written as 4 times 30 x square y square into y, z square into z cube divided by 30 x square into x, y as it is, z square. Now make cancellation. This will be cancelled, x square will also be cancelled, y will be cancelled, z square will be cancelled. The term left behind, that is 4 y square z cube divided by x. So this is the simplest form of this rational expression. एक तो इसका ये मेथड है. There is another method that we will use. The next coming question. This is the answer for part number 1. Now let's come for the part number 2. Eight a times x plus 1 divided by 2 times x square minus 1. Now here we will make use of the formula number 3, that is difference of squares in the denominator. 8 can be written as 4 into 2 a as it is x plus 1 2 times x square minus 1 square now 4 into 2 into a x plus 1 divided by 2. Now once their sum and once we have to go for their difference. यानी सम ऑफ स्क्वायर फार्मूला हमने यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर दिया. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी एंड ए माइनस बी. ए की जगह x है और b की जगह 1 है. नाउ वी आर टू गो फॉर द कैंसलेशन. सो x plus 1 will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled also, and we are left behind with 4a divided by x minus 1. This is the simplest form of this rational expression. Yani this is the final answer. Let's come for the part number 3. X plus y whole square minus 4xy divided by x minus y whole square. Now in the numerator as well as in the denominator we have to apply the formula a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square. यानी a की जगह x है और b की जगह y है. सो एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर प्लस 2 टाइम्स एक्स वाई माइनस 4xy already given to you divided by x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now these are two like terms with opposite signs. So these will be added. X square y square minus 2xy, यानी 2xy minus 4xy, their difference will be minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now these two will be cancelled. The final answer will be 1. And it is the reduced form of this rational expression. Now, boys, let's see once again. X plus y whole square, a square plus b square plus 2xy minus 4xy. Similarly, in the denominator, we have an application of the second formula a minus b whole square. So x square plus y square minus 2ab यानी कि minus 2xy. Now these two are like terms, they will be subtracted. So x square y square minus 2xy. But in the denominator we have to write x square plus y square minus 2xy as it is. Now you see that both the numerators as well as the denominators are same, so these two will be cancelled and the final answer will be equal to 1. Now let's come for the part number 4. This is a big part. X cube minus y cube multiplied by x square minus 2xy plus y square divided by x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square. In the numerator, there is an application of the formula as we have written here, a cube minus b cube. So it will be equal to a minus b, यानी कि x minus y and x square plus xy plus y square. We have written this into its factor form, यानी x minus y into square of the first term, साइन चेंज होता है और दोनों टर्म्स का प्रोडक्ट, इसमें 2 नहीं लिखते, और प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. राइट दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. अगर आप गौर से देखें और इसे टैली करें यहाँ लिखे हुए फॉर्मूलों के साथ, तो ये बनेगा a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. And it is basically x minus y whole square. So we can write as x minus y whole square. Now let's come in the denominator, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now make the cancellation. X minus y will be cancelled. This factor will be cancelled. So the final simplest form, यानी कि reduced form इसकी जो है वो x minus y का whole square, और we can write as x square plus y square minus 2xy. यानी sometimes ये भी आंसर होता है, लेकिन most probably definitely यही आंसर होगा. So x minus y whole square is the final answer. It is the reduced form of this rational expression. Dear students, let's come for the part number 5. As you see, these are very simple. If you people have the concept of these formulas, then these questions are very simple for you people. Otherwise, they can create some problem for you. Part number 5. X plus 2 times x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 multiplied by x square minus 4. Now dear students, here in the numerator as well as in the denominator, there is an application of the formula number 3. This is what called difference of squares. So we are to write in the first step as x square minus 1 का square. Formula की शेप में लाएंगे पहले x plus 1 as it is. It is already simple factor. So x square minus 4 को लिख दिया 2 square. अब एक दफ़ा हम इनका सम लेंगे और एक दफ़ा इनका डिफरेंस लेंगे. So x plus 2 times x plus 1 into x minus 1. These are two factors. Similarly, x plus 1 as it is, x plus 2 or x minus 2 Now make cancellation where it is possible. This will be cancelled. These two will also be cancelled. And the final reduced form will become x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. This is what called answer for this part. Now let's come for the part number 6. Very important part, examination point of view से x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by 2x square minus 8. Now students, first of all we have to convert the numerator in the factor form like minus 2 formula का into first term x into 2 और plus 2 square, यानी मैंने इसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया a square minus 2ab plus b square, यानी इसे मैंने होल स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में लिखूंगा by making use of the formula number 2. अदरवाइज हम इसमें मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक फार्मूला भी यूज कर सकते थे, but here I would like to go for perfect square. Now in the denominator, first of all we are to take 2 as a common factor, so x square minus 4. Now in the next step we will convert this into formula number 3, a square minus b square again. So x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square. Similarly in the denominator, x square minus 4 को 2 का स्क्वायर. अब आपने इनको फैक्टर्स फॉर्म में लाना है. सो x minus 2 whole square in the numerator. In the denominator it will become 2 times x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now dear students, this x minus 2 will be cancelled with this power 2 और हमारे पास जो आंसर आएगा वो x minus 2 एक फैक्टर बचेगा, एक कैंसिल हो गया और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 2 times x plus 2. This is the answer for this part. Now question number 3 part 7. This is the second last part. Students, you people will have to participate your own also. Next time I will give you some parts as your home assignment. I hope you people will be able to solve all these parts inshallah. 64 times x 5 minus 64 times x divided by 8x square plus 8 times 2x plus 2. Now look at the numerator. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोई भी फार्मूला बनाने से पहले हमने देखना है कि क्या हम इसमें से कुछ कॉमन तो नहीं कर सकते. तो समटाइम्स कुछ कॉमन करने के बाद जो है वो फार्मूले की शेप हमें नज़र आती है, फार्मूले का फॉर्मेट बनता हुआ नज़र आता है, लेकिन कुछ कॉमन करने के बाद. तो अब आप देखिए इसमें मैक्सिमम जो हम कॉमन कर सकते हैं दैट इज 64 और x. सो हियर इट विल बी x to the raised power 4 left behind और minus 1, यानी 64x कॉमन करने के बाद हमारे पास जो फैक्टर बचेगा वो x to the raised power 4 minus 1. And similarly we can take 8 as a common factor, so x square plus 1. Here we can take 2 as a common factor, so x plus 1. Now in the numerator there is an application of the formula x 2 whole square minus 1 whole square divided by 8 multiplied by 2 into x square plus 1 into x plus 1. Now 64 x 64 को भी आप फैक्टर्स में रिजॉल्व कर लें. 8 into 2 into 4 and here x square plus 1 x square minus 1 divided by 8 multiplied by 2 into x square plus 1 into x plus 1. Now make cancellation. 8 will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled, this factor will be cancelled, and we have left behind 4 times x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Now dear students, you see that in the numerator there is an other application. You can factorize again x square minus 1 square divided by x plus 1 as it is. So 4 times x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this will be cancelled. The final answer will be 4 times x minus 1. This is the simplest form of the given rational expression. Part 8. 9x square minus x square minus 4 whole square divided by 4 plus 3x minus x square. Now students, let's see in the numerator we have to convert this into a square minus b square. 3x whole square minus x square minus 4 whole square. In the denominator we are to write this as it is. Now formula apply करें numerator में a square minus this as a whole b square. So once a plus b, I mean 3x plus x square minus 4, and the other factor will be 3x minus x square और माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. अब आपने क्या करना है, न्यूमिनेटर्स के टर्म्स जो आ रही इनको आपने रीअरेंज कर देना है. फोर प्लस 3x minus x square as it is. So we can write as x square minus plus 3x minus 4. We have converted this factor into its descending order with respect to x, the variable. This can be written as 4 plus 3x minus x square. We have converted this factor into ascending order, yani 4 at first, then 3x, and in the last minus x square. In the denominator there will be no change, minus x square. So this will be cancelled and the answer will be x square plus 3x minus 4. This is the simplest form of the given rational expression.